average around $20,000 a month, and I've been doing that for the last 3 years.
What if I told you you could make 100,000, but not in the way you might think?
I'm looking forward to it. Tell me.
I know a ton of people
Yes.
who have nowhere near the experience you have,
Yeah.
the accolades you have, the credibility you have, and they make a lot more money.
Look, a lot of people need.
This is Dan Henry interviewing a podcast guest and basically giving away a free one-on-one coaching. But if you are at a 9 to 5 and you are simply looking into increasing your income or at a side hustle, maybe you don't have time to watch this video. So no worry, I'm here, your AI mentor. I'm going to use my custom chatbot and click the first button. The reason I'm doing it is to summarize the video and learn the content super fast because I don't have time and you don't have time. We want to spend our times wisely. First, put the video link and click this black arrow button. By the way, guys, all my custom chatbots are available to our students. If you want to learn about our program, link is in the description. Watch the free training from there. Okay, back to learning fast. Now I'm going to click show transcript. The transcript shows up the right hand side. I'm going to copy the whole transcript. Hey Dan, if you're watching this, I'm not stealing your video. I'm simply summarizing it and using it to learn faster and better. And I'm sure you will love this video at the end. Okay, I'm going to put the full transcript with the full timestamp and click this black arrow button. And now the AI is showing its magic, basically summarizing the video. Now you know everything what's inside. And the business model in 20 words, you know quickly whether it is for you or not, and move away fast to something else if this is not for you. Here is something interesting. It's called action. I'm going to explain that in a moment. Oh wow, it even wrote a video script just for me. SWOT analysis, strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis of this business model. A complete article that I can use, even you can use. And AI prompts for images if I want to use images with this article. Now the AI is asking me, would you like to generate these images for you? I'm going to say, yes, generate hyper realistic images one by one with the above prompts and enter. You can see, guys, the first image is being generated. By the way, guys, this model of ChatGPT is not free. If I want to use a completely free image generator AI, then I'm going to copy the prompt and go to huggingface.co and use Flux One development model. Control V and click run. While ChatGPT is taking time, I have already made the image. I have used another AI application called imagine.art and also made some images. Not bad. Okay. We figured the formula that Dan showed his guest has 6 steps called action. Nobody likes action. I stands for increase your price. Now it's only applicable when you know the value of what you can offer. And the last one, N, is the hardest. Nurture leads through sales call. Who likes sales calls? I don't. Sorry about these guys. Turns out it doesn't seem to be simple or easy for beginners, especially those who have a 9 to 5 job. You need something easy and done for you. I'm going to come back to done for you later. And I found this O is exactly doable for a beginner. Organize content creation. Wait, don't get bored. I'm going to make it super interesting. At the end, you will see all the other steps will be done for you. So you don't have to do any of them. Now you're about to experience an over-the-shoulder training on how we make content for our social media and get tons of traffic, leads, and sales. And our beginner students, just like you, busy and beginner, earn high ticket affiliate commissions starting from $300 to way up to $1,250. And I will show you how you can do the same. Keep watching. This is a video script that ChatGPT has written just for me. Let's record this video and show you how we record, piggybacking other people's content completely legally, and even our beginner students make money. Okay, a shameless plug. If you want the full training that shows how our beginners are earning money using a 99% done for you system, the training link is in the description if you're watching from YouTube. You can go anytime. I'm going to record only 2 clips so you understand how we do it, and then I will show you the final recording. Okay, this is a literally over-the-shoulder training. Have you ever wondered if you were charging what you were really worth? Today, we are diving into a simple yet powerful strategy that could triple your income just by making a few adjustments. These are my 2 fingers. I have one monitor here and another monitor right here, the recording. Have you ever wondered if you were charging what you're really worth? Today, we are diving into a simple yet powerful strategy that could triple your income just by making few adjustments.
So
Yeah.
8 hours.
Yes, 8
so
hours.
$1,400 divided by 8, Your time is only worth $175 an hour. My therapist charges more than that.
If you're stuck at low hourly rates like Samir, you are undervaluing yourself. Let's fix that.
But if I wake up in the morning and I'm stressed and I have anxiety and that affects my ability to make money, then what do? Because I know I'm your target market. I work more to make up for the money I lost, which means I don't spend time with my family, and it all snowballs, it's all connected, but it all comes back to money.
It's not just about charging more. It's about showing clients the return on their investment.
Pitch me your offer. Just go ahead and pitch it to me.
I am a coach, hypnotherapist and coach, and I help people overcome the anxiety, low self-esteem, overthinking, and so they can sleep like a baby at night.
Okay. So you pitched me on sleeping better.
Looks like Dan isn't happy and he has a reason. Now he will show how to do it.
I can take a pill for that.
Okay.
How about this?
Yes.
Are you a high performer whose state of mind has a direct impact on how much money you make? And you spend most of the day stressed, maybe even manic, you can't sleep, you're overthinking. And look, even when you do make the money you want to make, it's just you just feel terrible because you're grinding. Could make the same money you make, or you know what? Even more, with 10 times less stress, 10 times less anxiety, which would allow you to make more money in less time, so you can take that extra time and spend it doing things like, sleeping or spending time with your family. How much would that change your business and your life?
So you're going to learn to pitch your services based on the real impact you can deliver, like reducing stress and boosting income.
Do it. But if you're comfortable, do it. But you should never charge less than $5,000 for what you do. Can you commit to me that you will never again take a sales call and offer what you do for $1,400? At a very minimum, you charge $5,000.
And finally, remember to focus on closing every sale. If you believe in your value, your clients will too. Not everyone will feel comfortable charging more, and that's okay. But if you're serious about scaling your income, this method is a game changer. If you find it hard to implement, there are simpler ways to make money online that might be a better fit. For something like that, which is also 99% done for you, check the link in the description for our free training. Did you see how easy it is? Without stealing, without copying, downloading and uploading, but using AI, piggybacking other people's content, and still make amazing content. Long story short, guys, our process is simple. We use AI to learn valuable skills and knowledge fast. Then we use that skills and knowledge to make simple and short videos. We upload them on social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, these guys are in a war with each other to get attention through short videos. So they send you free customers to your AI-powered automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on your behalf. And when there is a sale, you make money like these guys. And our system is pretty much foolproof. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And you can see total over $2.6 million we paid to our affiliates. Some of them earned multiple 6 figures, multiple 5 figures, and tons of them earned 5 figures and 6 figures in passive affiliate commissions. In this video, Dan advised to raise your price. But is this possible for a beginner? You don't even have an offer. You are busy at your 9 to 5. What can you do? You need this whole solution in a 99% done for you manner. We do all the 99% for you, so you can earn commissions like these guys, high ticket affiliate commissions like these people without having your own high ticket program, and you'll be actually making money without selling, without shipping, without even your own website. No product and no paid advertisement required. You will be making simple videos just like I did, sitting at my desk, or you'll be making videos just like this using your mobile phone. If you want to learn more about our program, check the link in the description, a free training video. You will learn everything about what we do and how we help our beginner students. See you there. And if you want to learn how to earn $15 per app download, watch this video. And if you want to watch AI Millionaire course review, where a millionaire cloned himself using AI and made millions, then watch this video.